Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. These are difficult times, guys. Outside my studio, outside this garage, the workers are doing a lot of renovation. There is a lot of hammering, a lot of noise, so it's quite difficult to keep the mental quiet for going on. Now I'm very close to finish the main square, which will have some light effects that we'll see later. But yeah, this table, guys, is a beauty. I can't wait to show it at the Milano War Games convention this November. And yeah, I hope I will finish it before that. And but I'm optimistic because I think that is kind of realistic to think that I will finish it before the end of this summer. A lot of work to do, so yeah, let's crack on. Now I'm just creating more floor tiles. Sometimes it's better without noise, so I can speak, but you know, this is basically inhuman condition. Also, it's very hot. In these days here in Italy is around 35, 36 degrees Celsius, guys. And then the noise. Just enjoy the process with me. We are just creating a lot of floor for the square, the main square of Mordheim, of my Mordheim sector, guys. And I will create holes that you can open, actually, main holes. And in these holes we will put the light, the LED lights for give the right atmosphere to the sewers. So yeah, almost there. This table must be finished at the end of the summer, guys. I will push through. I will speed work on all the details. And yeah, because I want to start in September with a brand new season, brand new stuff. I want to have, once again, dungeon stuff on the table, furniture stuff. Yeah. So I miss the little things, you know? I miss the little projects, so it's about time to have something that I can start to finish in one day on the table, which is much more relaxing and a lot of fun. If you are in Italy in the middle of November, I will showcase this monster table in Milan. There will be a beautiful convention. If it is finished, it will be beautiful to see. If I will not finish it in all the details, I will finish it there on that convention. This is my plan. I want to bring it, in any case, in Milano War Games convention, guys. If it is finished, okay. If it's not, I will work live there, so you will see how I will finish it, okay? Now it's a calm moment without noise. It's unreal after so much noise. At this stage, the project requires a great deal of planning, but without becoming trapped by rigid schedules. I like having a clear direction, while still leaving room for new ideas to emerge naturally during the build. Some of the best details are never planned from the beginning. They appear along the way, and I want to preserve that creative freedom. One of the defining features of this Mordheim table is that it doesn't focus only on the city's iconic landmarks. Instead, it brings to life the forgotten districts, the hidden streets, neglected corners, and shadowy neighborhoods that most people never think about. These are the places where ordinary people once lived, where thieves found refuge, where merchants disappeared into narrow alleys, and where stories unfolded far away from the city's grand monuments. My goal is to make these secondary districts feel authentic. I want every street, every wall, and every building to look as though it that stood there for centuries. The realism isn't just about adding details. It's about creating an environment that feels alive, as if it continues to exist even when no miniatures are standing on it. The square I'm working on now is a perfect example of this philosophy. It isn't just a town square. It's also the roof of the sewer system beneath it. Completing this section will finally unlock the next major milestone of the project: building custom-designed houses and structures that perfectly match the vision I've had from the beginning. And then there are the sewers. They are not simply another playable area. They'll be a hidden jewel beneath the city, a place full of atmosphere, mystery, and opportunities for unforgettable games. I'm not sure how I want to finish the square yet, but yeah, we are very close to the end of another sector. Then we will finish just the round around the keep, and we can say the word end to this big project. I think I will take a couple of weeks of resting with my family this summer, but I will come back with a lot of new content and with this beauty finished. Thanks to all my Patreon supporters, guys. You are the reason why I keep doing this. You are the reason why I'm always inspired, and your support is very much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!